If your PS5 won't turn on, don't assume it's dead. Before you spend hundreds of dollars on a repair, or you try a new console, try these checks first. Your first instinct right now is probably, my PlayStation 5 is dead. It's done for. Don't throw it out yet. A shocking number of dead PlayStation 5s that I see are not actually dead at all. They're stuck, they're overheating, they're having power issues, or they're just not getting the signal they need. But before you spend a dime, let's always check the free stuff first. First thing, we're gonna try a proper power cycle. And a real power cycle. You're not just unplugging it for 2 seconds and then plugging it back in. What you're gonna do is hold the power button until you hear the second beep. Usually it takes 7 to 10 seconds. That forces your PlayStation 5 to clear its power state. Next, check your outlet and your surge protector. Listen, I know this step sounds too simple, but this happens constantly. A failing power strip or surge protector can still power other things, while failing to deliver the power that your PlayStation 5 actually needs. So for this test, we're gonna plug it directly into the wall, just for testing. If your PlayStation 5 turns on, congratulations. Your console wasn't the problem, your power setup was. Third, check your HDMI connection. This one surprises people all the time. Sometimes your PlayStation 5 is actually on, but the handshake between your console and the television failed somehow. So what I want you to do is unplug the HDMI cable from both sides. Wait about 30 seconds. Try another HDMI cable or another TV, definitely another port if possible. A lot of times, a dead console is really just a display issue. Fourth, listen to your console. If you hear strange clicking, buzzing, or your fan struggling, that tells you something important. Your PS5 might be fighting a power or a cooling issue. And please, I know sometimes it seems helpful, but don't blow compressed air directly into your console. You can actually make things seriously worse. Fifth, we're gonna try safe mode. Again, we're gonna hold your power button until you hear that second beep, 7 to 10 seconds. If safe mode appears, your PlayStation 5 isn't dead. It is actually giving you a recovery option if you see that. And the important thing to understand is that most PlayStation 5 problems are not solved by guesswork. They're solved by diagnosing what failed. That's why I created my book, How to Fix Anything on Your PlayStation 5. It's only $9.99, a complete diagnostic ebook, so that you can figure out step by step what's going on with your PlayStation 5 before you spend a single dollar on parts or repairs. The link is in my bio and in the description below. And comment, what is your PlayStation 5 doing? Do you have no power? A black screen? Is it shutting down or overheating? I want to know because we're tracking down the biggest problems that every gamer experiences with this console. I'm David G with Techie on the Labs, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.